Hello, good morning, afternoon, or evening. My name is Alvaro, and this is my partner, Michael. We are going to present to you our YC project, a digital calculator with the name Digital Calculator. We live in Cirebon, Indonesia. We are grade 9 or 14 years of age. We go to an international school by the name of Sekolah Pita Bangsa or SPB. We are new to coding but love it. We also like math and gaming.
Our problem that leads us to make this calculator is that when one day we were counting simple maths, but it was taking way too long since it was a 30-page book, every page full. We tried using a calculator and it was pretty slow. That time we still had assignments to do. We tried to use a more efficient way using a spreadsheet, but that's still pretty slow since we still had to type. So to solve our problem, we've decided to make a speech recognition calculator.
Our calculator uses the microphone. The calculator is going to hear the input and will store it into this entry field of the calculator. You could also type and press either the enter keybind or equals button. And that is why we have perception, learning and representation, and reasoning. Our calculator could be beneficial and vice versa. People could use our calculator to calculate faster and easier. If someone is blind, just add a text to speech and you are all set. However, people won't be able to develop their minds since they keep using a calculator.
Here are the pros and cons. Positives. We're able to calculate simple problems without having to type any text and only using our voice. It has the basic functions of a scientific calculator. A calculator could help people do math problems efficiently. The negatives are, when using voice recognition, it can mishear the input. When people are using this calculator, they might not develop their minds and keep using the calculator. These are our sources of information. We would like to thank Google for helping us code. Mr. Erlanga from Kodokido gave advice on making the slides in code, and the Python Discord server helped us out by sharing codes and ideas to us. So lastly, we would like to thank Ready AI for the opportunity.
Here is our code. We used Python to make our calculator, and this is our code. And this is the calculator. Just press this and this and then that and that. You can also type in keybinds +1 or whatever, C +1. And you can do factorial, you can do power. You can also use the mic. 1 + 1. And that's the negatives. You have to be clear